In this video I'll show you guys how to make your Facebook post shareable. This should work on both Android and iOS. So if you want to make your Facebook post shareable, then make sure to watch this video till the end and you should be able to do that. Let's get started right now. First of all, open your Facebook, go to the third tab, your profile, click on the three dots, click on View Privacy Shortcuts, click on See More Privacy Settings, and right here you see Who can see your future posts. Click on that and click Try it now. Go to this tab and here you can change everything you want. You can change to public, friends, friends of friends, but I'll keep it on friends. Click done and that's it. Now people can see your post as well. If this helps you out, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. I would appreciate that. Thanks.
If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.